handsome and skilled in details. He, intelligent and elegant. He, meticulous and hardworking. He, loyal, reliable and dedicated. He's a housekeeper for thousands of families. Smart security vacuum cleaning robot, JISIWEI I5. JISIWEI Intelligent Control, cloud-based interconnected. With advanced anti-falling, anti-slipping, crossing obstacles, and anti-sticking function, he can move freely. With a built-in HD camera, he enables you to share your home happy moments with you no matter where you are. At the same time, he can track indoor safety and sanitation in real time and helps you to avoid home security hidden danger. As a professional cleaning robot, the two lantern-side brushes match the rolling brush on the bottom and makes indoor cleaning work efficiently. Charging 200 to 300 minutes, working 90 minutes. When power lower than 20%, he will automatically search charging base. No need to worry. JISIWEI I5 Smart Security Cleaning Robot, a housekeeping cleaning robot.